Welcome to the video lecture on new energy sources. This is Dr. T. Jani Shubha. So the energy we are using nowadays is obtained from the fossil fuels. But this energy is not sufficient to meet out the world demand. So we have to move towards the renewable energy sources like solar, wind, geothermal, tidal, biomass and hydroelectric power. So first one is the solar energy. The solar energy is obtained from sun. This sun's energy can be used directly in the thermal form as solar heaters, dryers or cookers, and also the solar energy can be converted into electrical energy by using the solar cells, which uses the principle of photovoltaic effect. So now we are seeing about a number of solar panels erected in streets and houses for harnessing the solar energy. So next one is the wind energy, the energy obtained from the moving air. This moving air is known as wind, and this wind energy or the kinetic energy of the wind can be converted into electrical energy by using this windmills. These windmills, a number of windmills together is known as a wind farm, which can be seen in a number of places all over the world and India as a renewable source of energy. Next one is the hydrogen energy, which is a fuel of future fuel. And like natural gas, hydrogen can also be burnt to heat buildings, cook food, produce electricity in power plants. The various sources of hydrogen are by electrolysis, you can split water into hydrogen and oxygen. And also it can be produced from natural gas and biomass resources, and ethanol can be made to react with high temperature steam to produce hydrogen, and biomass can be converted into sugar rich feedstock that can be fermented to produce hydrogen, and microbes such as green algae, they consume water in the presence of sunlight and produce hydrogen as a byproduct. And the main application of the hydrogen energy is hydrogen fuel cell, where the water is electrolyzed to produce oxygen and hydrogen, which is used in fuel cell to produce electrical energy. This electricity can be used in a number of ways, and the byproduct obtained from the fuel cell is again water, which can be electrolyzed to hydrogen and oxygen, and this can be again and again used. So now what are the advantages? Hydrogen is readily available. It does not produce harmful emissions. It is environmentally friendly. It can be used as a rocket fuel. It is energy efficient and more powerful than fossil fuels. It is renewable. It reduces the carbon footprint, and charging time is also fast and does not produce any pollution. And next one is disadvantages. Hydrogen is highly inflammable and explosive, so safe handling is required, and it is difficult to store and transport, and also difficulties in storing energy, enough amount of hydrogen for motor vehicles to run long distance is also a bit difficult. And next one is ocean thermal energy. We can see about this ocean thermal energy in our next video. Now thank you for watching.